Scrapping.
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 We are gonna go scrapping.
Scrap, scrap, scrap.
Scrapping. Oh, scrapping.
Scrapping. I'm scrapping.
We are gonna go scrapping.
Scrapping. Scrapping. There.
So I'm giving Dan a hand today. We're picking up a bunch of cast iron. Got the trailer empty right now to start, so we'll see what happens.
Good?
That's good.
Yeah, this is heavy.
Yeah, I need 4 guys.
Put your fingers.
Hey, Dan, hold this.
¿Ah? ¿Dejamos acá? ¿Vas a poner down?
Yeah, it's probably better so we don't fall.
Alright, vamos, baje uno ahí. De este lado. Ahí no, ahí abajo está el quiebre, ¿verdad? Démosle vuelta, así viejo.
All right, look, you need 2 on that side, 2 on this side. No?
Vamos así. Por eso.
Yeah.
Algo se va a descontrolar, baje. Párame la como anoche. Ey, y eso no importa que se quiebre.
Yeah, the railing. Be careful.
Ah, pues no, entonces hay que... Vámonos para allá. A este lado, sí, mira. A este lado, sí.
Yeah, está bien.
Démosle vuelta. Para que no vaya a caer a este lado del terreno.
This is screwed up.
No, y cae. Hay que ir a la escalera. Y la escalera no la van a mover tampoco. Porque eso queda ahí.
We'll see what happens, right, Dan? What should I do for you? I thought it'd make a good video, though. Pretty good. Woo-hoo! All right,
Okay.
next. Go ahead.
Dale, yo no me veo cuando pare. Creo que ya no más, muchachos. Dale, papá.
Oh, no. I don't know. Basically, they're throwing everything out in this house. It's kind of neat. I'm glad I don't do this for a living. It's much easier just picking it up once it's all done. But giving Dan a hand. So they did fix the... How are you? They did fix the window. I'm gonna help Dan move this real fast. We got all the other ones kind of on there. But Dan's got a lot. Yeah, I got this. Dan's gotten a lot of good scrap out of this. I found one antique-y thing that's good for me. I think we got all together, he's gotten 6 of these guys on here, so. All right, I'm gonna help him. Unless we should just watch him poop himself. All right, here, let's throw it on. Was that a heavy one? My side's not on the curb. Your side on the curb? I don't think your side has a foot.
Is it heavy, Dave?
Nah, not at all.
Well, work for it.
Work for what? My dinner that you're gonna take me to? but he did get some, there's a bit of copper scrap. I save these guys for weights for fishing, for when you're going down the river with a canoe. But all right, we'll see what else is up. It wasn't just me moving this stuff today. That was pretty good. They're almost done. They only have one more piece left. So the thing that I got that I was happy with at this this venture was I found all these, I don't know what this is. Maybe that's just, but these rulers. I really like the ones with the metal ends. But that was my my bonus for today. You can see all the different names of, so this must have been from a school. All the different names written on Lewis, all different teachers. Didn't get that much cast iron, but it got a bit. And Dan's gonna let me have this AC. I'm gonna take that apart for everybody. I have about 5 ACs that size right now. I'm gonna see what they're worth for 5 of them. That's my next plan. But I guess we're out of here. I know it was not a typical video, but it was kind of different. So we're at the scrapyard. Dan weighs a good 12,000 pounds. That's what's in the buckets. Let's see, they got the crusher working today up there. What do you think, quarters are left in that machine or not? See where those cars are? That's probably the most I would never set up there. We got another machine over here. How heavy that is. Cool. The boneyard. Alright, we're gonna get this cast iron off real fast and you guys watch that for a minute. Hey Dan, did we forget your your one cart?
Right?
Did we forget your one cart? Oh, okay. All right, I'm gonna let you guys watch that some more. That's just amazing to me. Sorry about that, guys.
You got me.
All right, we'll see what we get. So, I guess with just the radiators, I see $100 bill. I wonder what we made. We had 2,260 pounds. They only paid $775, so it wasn't a lot of money for a cast iron. So it was $176. That's pretty good, though. Because there's still a bunch of copper and brass on the back, so it was a $200 day for him. But he's got to take me out for dinner, and we're going for crabs, so it will definitely was worth my while coming. I had a good day. It was, I can't say that it's the most fun, but maybe we'll do it again. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next video, and peace. Scrapping.
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 We are gonna go scrapping.
Scrap, scrap, scrap.
Scrapping, oh scrapping.
Scrapping, I'm scrapping.
We are gonna go scrapping.
Scrapping.